video to show you how you can add user comments in VEuPathDB resources. In this case, I'm using a VectorBase gene as an example. So I'm on the gene page for the odorant receptor obligate co-receptor, ORCO, or OR7. And on this gene page, you will notice that there's a way for you to add a comment on this gene. So I'm going to be adding the first user comment on this gene. So I will click on Add First User Comment. This will take you to a structured form where I can add information. So I already typed up the comment from a paper. So I'm going to be referencing a particular paper that localized ORCO positive neurons. And so I will add a headline here. So ORCO positive neurons are localized to AL and the subapical zones. And this information is about the function of the product, maybe a little bit about the phenotype, so you can put both. And I'm going to add a Pubmed ID here, so I will go ahead and get that Pubmed ID. I already opened up the paper. This is the paper. Here's the Pubmed ID, so I'm going to copy this, and I'll paste it right here. You can quickly preview it, make sure you're getting the right paper, and that looks like the right paper. And once you're done, I can go here and click on Add Comment. Once you click on Add Comment, you can go back to the gene page and reload it. And now once you reload the page, it will indicate to you that there is a user comment on this page. I can go down and view this, and you'll notice here that the user comment is there. Obviously, it's under my name, so you have to log in and register to do this, but you can always come back and delete or modify these user comments, and other people can contact you if they have questions about you or about the comment. And also, you can add comments on anything, so whether it is something published or unpublished, just information. So it's a really nice way to crowdsource the knowledge out there and enter it in a quick and transparent way and make it available to the scientific community.